This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Sylvia V Woods. You will fall in love with this adorable 2-bedroom rancher located in the wonderful area of Phoebus with an oversized detached garage with workshop. This home offers you the great open floor plan with vinyl plank flooring in eat-in kitchen, hardwood floors in family room with built-in bookcases, tiled bath and minutes to the beach, Langley Air Force Base and easy access to interstate. For more information, review the details below or contact Sylvia V Woods at 757-715-9730.